Wow, it changed a lot. Wow. Whoa. What is this place? It used to be there outside. Oh, let's tour around. Wow, it really changed a lot. Wow. It's okay, I remember here. Okay. Alright. It's connect like this. Wow. I can take Jeepney from here right away. So now the arrival and departure is connected now. Before, I remember it's separated. You couldn't go from departure to arrival, from arrival to departure area. But now it's connected. So that's departure, right? Oh, departure. Arrivals. Oh, wow. Wow, it really changed a lot. I want to see the bus terminal. This way. Bus and van parking space. Everything was here. Starbucks. This became new airport. I cannot imagine this was the same airport. Only this Jollibee is the same. Jollibee. Wow. Wow. All these vans. Only taxis and vans. No more buses, I guess. Okay. And before we could only go up through here, these stairs. Car park. Departure. Arrival. See. Oh, Hong Kong. Starbucks. It's closed now because it's 11:10 already. Wow. I cannot recognize this airport anymore. Wow. You can go that way and then transfer to international, I guess. Let's see. The international airport, Terminal 2 is over there, diba? Wow. Oh, tama. Yeah. That's the 7-Eleven. Wow. It became a different airport. Wow. Elevator. Departure. Oh. Wow, it's connected like this? Terminal 1 and 2 are connected like this? Wow. Amazing, really amazing. Wow. So near. coming like this. International. Wow, it's right over there. Wow. I don't need to go to Terminal 2 yet. Later, I'll come back to pick up my friends. Wow.
Good evening. Your attention, please. All passengers are being welcomed to the process to move points. Their glasses clearance and for inspection to the Bureau of Animal Industry.
Bus to city.
This is a reminder from the Bureau of Customs, Bureau of Animal Industry, Food and Drug Administration, and the Commission of Mactan Cebu. Let's all please sit and enjoy.
Bo's Coffee. Wow. 대박 대박. Really, this is a different airport. Yeah, I remember I took a jeepney long ago from here. Where can I take the jeepney? Jeepney. Okay. Before I took the jeepney from there. Long ago. 6 years ago? 5 to 6 years ago. So now it's over there. Oh, there's a jeepney. See. This is jeepney stop. Back to the airport. I'm going back to Davao. Goodbye, Cebu. All new Cebu Airport. How many people? Let's check out all new Cebu Airport inside of the departure area. Food court. 야. Oh, bar and kitchen. It's too early. Still closed. It's 4 a.m. now, by the way. Nice, nice. So many people. Gosh. Gosh. Dunkin' Donuts. Cafe Laguna. 침사추이. Gate number 5. I'm going to Davao now.